are going to start chapter 6, linear inequalities. Look at the terms. Linear. Linear means what? Linear means single degree. Degree of equation is 1. Then it is called linear equation. Single degree. First degree. Single degree of first degree. Means x plus y like that, or 2x plus 3x, like that it may be coming. It will not be 2x squared, this square will not come. It is not linear, it is quadratic. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to learn only first degree. So there will be x or y term only. The x and y terms will not have any power. That is linear. And what is the next term? Inequalities. Inequalities. What is inequality? Equal, you know. What is equal? Equal sign. When there is equal sign, it is called the equation. Equal sign means equation. This you have learned in your 9th standard or 10th standard. Linear equation. And how to solve like these problems. 5x plus 2x equal to 21. Solve x. How will we do? 5x plus 2x, 7x equal to 21. X equal to 21 by 7 equal to 3. This is linear equation. Now we are going to learn linear inequality. So instead of equation, it may be less than, greater than, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. Then it will become linear inequality. For example, the question is like this. 2x plus 3x or simply 7x greater than 31. This is linear. Why it is linear? Because power of x is 1. So linear. It is inequality because there is greater than symbol. How will we solve it? We will divide both sides by 7. Isn't it? Divide both sides by 7. So what will we get? X greater than 31 by 7. This is the solution. When it is linear equation, you are getting the solution as x equal to. When it is linear inequality, you will get the solution just like x greater than or x less than or like that. Here you see I divided both sides of the inequality by 7 just like equation. All the operations are not like equation. Let us go through the rules of this inequality operation. First one, addition of circle. Add. When we add, what will happen? Look here. If it is 7x greater than 39, we can add 2 to both sides. So it will become what? 7x plus 2 greater than 39 plus 2, or 7x plus 2 greater than 41. This is same inequality as 7x greater than 39. So we can add the same number to both sides of the inequality. Look at another problem. If it is 2x minus 3 greater than 9. I don't want this minus 3 here. So what I have to do? I have to add plus 3. So it will become 2x minus 3 plus 3 greater than 9 plus 3. So I added 3 to both sides of the inequality. Just the same rule as equation. So what will be? I am getting 2x greater than 9 plus 3. What is 9 plus 3? 12. So 2x greater than 12. Next what I have to do? I have to divide both sides by 2. So that is another rule. We can divide both sides by the same number, the positive number 2. So it will become x greater than 6. This is the solution. X greater than 6. So one thing is that you can add, right here, we can add same number. We can add same number to both sides of the inequality. We can add the same number to both sides of the inequality. In a similar way, we can subtract same number. Subtract same number. Look here, the inequality is 2x plus 3 greater than 0. I have to subtract 3 from here. So from here I subtract 3. From here also I have to subtract 3. So same number is subtracted from both sides. Same number is subtracted from both sides. So we will continue solution 2x greater than negative 3, or divide both sides by 2. So x greater than negative 3 by 2. So we learned we can add or subtract same number from both sides of the inequality, just like equation. Now what about multiplication and division? The division we have already come through. So multiplication also we can do. Multiplication. For example, if x is greater than or equal to 5, you can write, if you multiply both sides by 2, what is it? 2x greater than or equal to 10. It is correct. X greater than or equal to 5. The same inequality, 2x greater than or equal to 10. So you can multiply both sides by the same positive number. Now, when it is a negative number, the rule changes. Instead of 2x, if you are doing by negative 2, the inequality should be reversed. So it will become like this. When x is greater than or equal to 5, when you multiply both sides by negative 2, the inequality greater than or equal to will be reversed as less than or equal to. This rule you have to remember. When we multiply by negative number, the inequality got reversed. The same rule for division as well. Multiplication by positive and negative is different. Here same, when it is positive it is same, when it is negative, inequality is reversed. When we add, equation remains the same, subtract also same, positive multiplication also same, negative multiplication reversed. The same rule for division as well. When we do division on both sides, when we do division by positive, we have already seen the inequality become same. But when we do by negative, the inequality will become reverse. These rules you have to remember when you solve the inequality. So what are the rules? When we add or subtract positive or negative number, the inequality remains the same. When we multiply or divide by a positive number, the inequality remains the same. When we multiply or divide by negative number, the inequality got reversed. Let us do some problems. When we do these problems, you should remember these rules. First one, 30x less than 200. 30x less than 200. How to do? How we can make here x divided by 30. 30 is a positive number. So when we divide, inequality will not change. It will remain the same. So I am going to divide both sides by 30. The same. Okay, then what will be our answer? X less than 20 by 3. X less than 20 by 3. This is the solution. Now, if it is given x is a natural number. X is a natural number. X is a natural number. X less than 20 by 3. 20 by 3 is what? Approximately 6 point, isn't it? 80, then to 6.66, like that it will be going on. So, strictly less than 6, isn't it? So, x is a natural number means the solution is what? If it is given, x is a natural number, what is solution? X equal to, set, x is a natural number less than 6. So, solution is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can't write the 6 because it is strictly less than 6. So natural number means x is set 1, 2, 3, 4. Instead of natural number, if it is given x is an integer, how will I write an answer? Integer means negative numbers, 0 will also come. So solution is x equal to set etc. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, etc. 5. This is solution. When it is given x is a real number, this is the answer. X less than 20 by 3. X less than 20. This is the answer when x is a real number. We can write it in an interval. When it is a real number, we can write it in interval. Less than means negative infinity. From negative infinity to maximum value is 20 by 3. 20 by 3. But this is strictly less than. Means 20 by 3 is not included. So you have to put here open interval. 20 by 3 strictly less than. Means 20 by 3 not included. So open interval 20 by 3. Okay. Another problem. If one more thing, if this solution you have to represent in number line, the first one. If it is a natural number, how will we represent it in number line? Not in natural number, integer letters mark. When it is an integer, how we can mark? We can mark 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -1, -2, like that. When it is an integer, solution is this one. So I will darken this spots. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't have to darken 6 because it is 6 is not included. But to this side it will go on. So I should darken this arrow. This is the solution, representation of solution in a number line. You have to draw it. Solution in a number line. Here, this is when x is an integer. X is an integer. When x is a real number, how will we do in a number line? Again, number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -1, -2, -3. Look here, strictly less than 6 means 6 is not included. Not 6 actually. It is 20 by 3. 20 by 3 means not less than 6. Isn't it? 20 by 3 means 6.666. Somewhere here. between 6 and 7 it will come somewhere here. So let me mark this as 20 by 3. This number is 20 by 3. That number I have to exclude. Exclude means don't darken it. Just to do a circle, open circle like this here. And less than means this part will come. So I am darkening the whole region. The whole region and the arrow. This is the answer. Then it is real number. Let us do some more problems. Solve 5x minus 3. 5x minus 3 less than 3x plus 1. Less than 3x plus 1. When you do addition and subtraction, it is just like the equation. So you can change. No need of adding plus 3 minus 1 like that. Just you take negative 3 to this side, or just what will happen? Plus 3. If you take the plus 1 to this side, negative. That's all. That's changes you can make. So what we will do, in the LHS, all x terms we will put. LHS x terms and RHS the constant terms. So it will become 5x. This 3x, when it comes here, it is minus 3x less than. This plus 1 is here. When this minus 3 goes here, it is plus 3. So 5x minus 3x, 2x less than 1 plus 3, 4. So we have to divide both sides by 2. 2 is a positive number. So inequality will not change. So you can divide by 2 both sides. So what will be our answer? X less than 2. X less than 2. X is an integer. What is answer? X is an integer. What is our answer? X equal to set etc. negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1. Strictly less than 2. So only up to 1. When x is a real number. When x is a real number. When it is real number, we can not express in roster form. We can write it in that interval form. So what is it? Less than 2 means interval negative infinity up to 2, and 2 is not included. So open. Negative infinity 2. When x is a natural number, what is our answer? X less than 2. So answer is x equal to 1. Set 1 only. Singleton set. X is a whole number. X is a whole number. What is our answer? X equal to set 0, 1. When x is an integer, how will we represent it in a number line? 0, 1, 2, 3, negative 1, negative 2. Integer means up to 1. 1 is there. So 1 you darken, 0 you darken, negative 1 you darken, negative 2 you darken, and this arrow also you darken. This is integer. When x is a real number, what is its representation? 0, 1, 2, 3, negative 1, negative 2, negative 1. Strictly less than 2 means 2 should be an open circle. Then less than 2 means the left part of the number line 2, left of 2, less than, and the left arrow. This is when x is a. Solve 4x plus 3 less than 6x plus 7. So what we will do? We will take x to left hand side, number to right hand side. So it is 4x minus 6x less than 7 minus 3. 4x minus 6x, negative 2x less than 7. So 7 minus 3, 4. Now we have to divide by negative 2. Negative 2. When divided by negative 2, the inequality will be reversed. division here. The next step you do. So what we will do? Negative 2x by negative 2 greater than 4 by negative 2. Division by negative 2, inequality is reversed. So just like positive number, don't do the division here. Do it as a next step. So what we will get? X greater than 4 by negative 2, negative 2. X greater than negative 2. How will we draw the number line? Then x is a real number. Then x is a real number. X greater than negative 2. Negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. X greater than negative 2 and negative 2 not included. So negative 2 open circle. Greater than means the right side of negative 2. So this part I should darken and this part. When it is integer, I will go like this. Negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Negative 2 is not included. From negative 1 onwards, I should darken. Negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. And when we write x greater than negative 2, when we write the solution in interval, how will be the answer? X greater than negative 2, x greater than negative 2. In interval, what is the answer? X element of what? This interval. Negative 2 is excluded. So, open interval negative 2 to infinity, positive infinity. Infinity is always open. X element of negative 2 infinity. Next one, 7x plus 3. 7x plus 3 less than 5x plus 9. Less than 5x plus 9. So this 5x I have to take to left hand side. So it will become 7x minus 5x less than 9, then plus 3 is minus 3. 7x minus 5x is what? 2x. Less than 9 minus 3 is what? 6. So we have to divide by 2. Positive number. Positive number means inequality will not be changed. It will be same only. So x less than 3. X less than 3. If x is a real number, x is a real number, solution is what? X element of real number means we have to write it in interval. X less than 3 means this is 3. Less than 3 means this part, left part of 3. 3, 2, 1, 0. And 3 is included. No, 3 is excluded. So, 3 you open circle 3 and this one. X is strictly less than 3. X element of open interval negative infinity to open 3. So let us finish today's class. Next class we will continue.